How to fix. Windows license will expire soon in Windows 10 quick and easy steps. If you're seeing the dreaded Windows license will expire soon message on your Windows 10 PC, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it and keep your system running smoothly. Let's go through the methods one by one. First, restart Windows Explorer. Right-click on the taskbar and open Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, find Windows Explorer. Right-click it and choose Restart. After doing this, check if the license will expire soon message is still popping up. Method 2. Use Command Prompt to extend activation. If the previous methods didn't work, we can use the Command Prompt to extend your Windows activation for up to 180 days. Here's how. Open the Start menu, type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Type this command and hit Enter. Once the command completes, restart your computer. Your activation will be extended for a few months, giving you more time to resolve any licensing issues. And that's it. I hope one of these methods helped you fix the Windows license will expire soon message. If this video was helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. And as always, if you have any questions or need more help, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.